Show you how to pick up a swarm off the ground. So I put a frame down lightly on top of the swarm, and then they start climbing on one side, and then I put it in the box. And I put the opening close to the swarm, so when the bees inside start making happy noise, all the bees will start climbing there, and they climbed on this frame. So I'm going to pick up this frame and put it in the box, and hopefully the rest of them will follow and go right in the box. Now, as you can see, the bees are inside the box, and then I have the bees on the ground. Let me bring this closer. There. They're going right in. They just get excited and they tell the other bees, hey, we gotta move. We found our place. And hopefully the queen is in the box, but you see, look closer how they move right in. And I did not even start a smoker. They're just doing their own thing. So I got a little tool here, and I'm gonna try to get them to move that direction. We'll see if it helps. Nope, that's not helping. It just makes them go up in the... Okay, time to get a smoker. Got my smoker going. And we'll come around. They don't like the smoke. They're not flying, just a little bit to kind of get them turn around. And we'll do some smoking right there. Come on guys, keep going in. Come on, keep going in. What I'm doing now, I just go with the smoker on the edges and get them to move. And if these bees on the edge will start moving and turn the other direction because the smoke is here and they don't like the smoke, hopefully all the other bees start to turn and follow and say, hey, get out. So we're having a good progress. There's way less of them on the ground. Smoker, gloves, and the suit. And there's our swarm. So that's how to pick up a swarm off the... They slow down a little. I give a couple puffs right there, right into the entrance. They start churning, so I go to the side, and then that just kind of increases the speed of how fast they move. They're like, we don't like this smoke, let's get out. Just look how fast they're trying to move now. Oh my, they're just going real fast now. They can also smell the frames and the whatever's on the frames, and they just go inside. Now they're flying a little bit, but it will all settle down. I'll wait 5 minutes and I'll be good to go. Anyway, they pretty much settled now, so I'll be taking them home. It was a success.